In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Adobe Sign. Adobe Sign is a mobile app used to send, sign, and manage electronic documents. It works seamlessly as a companion to Adobe's e-signature service, making your workflow much more efficient and paperless. Let's begin by opening your App Store. If you're using an Android device, you'll want to head over to the Google Play Store. For those of you on an iPhone or iPad, your destination will be the App Store. Opening the correct app store is crucial because it's the first step in accessing the app you need. Once you have your app store open, the next step is to search for Adobe Acrobat Sign. In the search bar, you'll want to type out Adobe Acrobat Sign. Make sure to look for the official app by Adobe Inc. This is important because official apps ensure you're getting the most secure and up-to-date features. Now that you've found the app, it's time to install it. If you're on an Android device, simply tap Install. For iPhone or iPad users, the button will say Get. Tap that and the app will begin downloading. This step is straightforward, but make sure you have a good internet connection to avoid any interruptions. After the installation is complete, it's time to open the app. You can do this by tapping Open directly from your App Store. Alternatively, you can launch it from your home screen. This gives you the flexibility to access the app in the way that suits you best. Opening the app for the first time is exciting because you're about to unlock a new level of convenience in managing your documents. Now you'll need to sign in. Log in using your Adobe account. If you don't have one yet, you can create a new Adobe ID. This step is necessary because having an account allows you to access all the features Adobe offers. Remember, signing in keeps your documents secure and accessible across devices. It's important to note that Adobe Acrobat Sign usually requires an active Adobe subscription to use its full features. This includes sending documents for signature, among other advanced functionalities. However, depending on your plan, some basic viewing or signing features may still be available without a full subscription. This flexibility means you can still accomplish essential tasks even if you're not subscribed to all features. With that, you've successfully downloaded and set up Adobe Acrobat Sign on your device. By following these steps, you're now equipped with a powerful tool to manage your documents electronically. This app is a great asset to streamline your document processes, save time, and reduce the need for physical paperwork. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with Adobe Acrobat Sign. Remember, having the right tools can make all the difference in your productivity and efficiency. Keep exploring its features and enjoy the convenience it brings to your document management.